Good morning, everybody. This is Granny B just sitting on the front porch enjoying the beautiful weather. Listen to the birds singing. And then it stops singing. There. Isn't that nice? I did a video the other day where we drew a name to take little Bizzy Bee. And when I contacted the winner of the drawing, she said that she is not doing videos anymore. So we did a second drawing. I'm doing this update to let you know that my video has been altered to delete that part. And the new winner of the drawing is Sugar Creek Homestead of Tennessee. Got the second drawing, and she was just very happy to receive Bizzy Bee, and we're going to be sending it to her. And so we hope that whenever she gets it and makes her video, that you will watch it and then see who it's going to go to next. She will choose the next person it goes to. And so we hope Bizzy Bee makes the rounds and everyone gets a chance to make a video with him. And in the meantime, just listen to the beautiful birds. And I want to tell y'all, I have reached a new level on my subscriptions. I have 470 as of this morning. And I'm going to be reaching a 500 pretty soon, hopefully. And I've already determined what I'm going to give away as a gift for whoever I draw on the 500 subscription. And that's going to be a pint jar of my own home recipe, my own personal recipe for jalapeno pear jelly. So you don't have to be a subscriber, but anybody who will make a comment, I will put their name in the hat, and somebody's going to get a jar of jalapeno pear jelly. And so once again, I thank you one and all for subscribing to me and sticking with me. And I love your comments. I've learned so much, and you keep me real. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video. And I'm showing you how to make a potato soup that was just a spur of the moment thing. So thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
And y'all come back and see us now, you hear?
Hi everybody. It's been a while since I did a video. The last video I did was we were talking about this little bee that I wanted to send anyone that's interested, and I got a lot of people interested. One of the things that I love to do is go, and we have a salvage grocery that I like going to, and sometimes you may have plans for, you may have your meals made out, but whenever you find a bargain, you better grab a hold of it at this salvage shop, because the next time you go, it probably won't be there. And I want you to see what I got today. This is Philadelphia chive and onion cream cheese. It's a 3-pound carton of cream cheese. You'll never guess what I paid for this. 99 cents. 99 cents. Well, I wanted that because I'm thinking, oh wow, I could put it in soup, I could put it in dips, I could put it in salad dressing. I could put it in hors d'oeuvres. That would just make a wonderful thing. And at such a price. They had these number 10 cans of new whole potatoes. And they were only $1.99. And everybody knows that I fix a meal to carry to our covered dish at our Bible study every week. And so I had planned on doing strawberry shortcakes. But when I found the potatoes and I knew I had this cream cheese, I'm going, I need to make a big old pot of potato soup. So this is what you call improvising, or seizing the day, or making do with what you got. So tonight I'm going to do a cream of potato soup with the Philadelphia cream cheese. I've never done this before. I'll probably never be able to do it again, but if you've got the basics on how to make potato soup, you can do it. So all I'm going to do is open up these potatoes now and put them in my pan, and we're going to get started. Okay, we have taken those potatoes and cut them in half. I filled it about 3/4 of the way full because we have to have room for some of that wonderful cream cheese. And so this is the amount of potatoes that I had left over. I'm just going to put this in the refrigerator for another time. We're going to bring the heat up. There is a little bit of juice in here, but I drained the juice because haven't never done this before. I don't know how much juice I'm going to need. And I definitely want some chicken stock in it. So I'm going to put the chicken stock first. So that brought our liquid level up to here. So I'm going to put a little bit more in. And it brings the liquid level just to the bottom of this top layer. We'll set it aside in case we need it later. This cream cheese has chive and onion, so we could put lots of herbs in here. And of course, parsley always works real well for potato soup. So we're going to do some parsley. Just do this to your heart's desire. Herbes de Provence would be good in that, but we're going to keep it simple. Going to put some red crushed pepper, just a little bit. That's probably half a teaspoon. Do it to your taste. Of course, we're going to use salt and pepper. This is my homemade blend of salt and pepper. It also has a little garlic and a little onion and just different seasonings that I put together, because anything that uses salt and pepper probably needs a little garlic or a little onion too. We're going to stir that up a little bit as this starts to get hot. And as always, I tell you, dip with the big spoon, taste with the little spoon, taste your seasonings. That's going to be good. Oh, that chicken broth comes in there and really brings that flavor up good. So we're going to go ahead and open my beautiful bargain. And we're just going to spoon that in and let it start getting melty. I think melty is in the dictionary.
It's in the Num Num dictionary.
Num Num dictionary. Okay, we turned the camera off, and all I did was just continue putting clumps of the cream cheese in there and stirring it around to get it melted. And it's because of the cream cheese, it's getting real creamy. It's not just thin water anymore. So I'm not even going to add any thickening to this. The starch in the potatoes will continue to cook out some and mix with the fat in the cream cheese and make its own thickening agent. And I have virtually added nothing except seasonings. This is potatoes, chicken broth, the cream cheese, and seasonings. And that's all I'm going to do to it. Oh, we could put some bacon in it. You want to put some bacon in it?
That'd be great.
Okay. We're going to put a little bacon in it. We use turkey bacon. This turkey bacon happens to be Oscar Mayer, and there's about 1/4 of a package left. So we're just going to put that whole 4th package in there. But before I do, let me tell you another little tip. This little piece of plastic in there, you know I'm a recycler. I'm going to wash that piece of plastic and I'm going to use it for cutting quilt scraps. You can cut your quilt scraps on a piece like this, and then you can, if you wanted to get a particular part of the fabric, you can move that piece all over your fabric until you get just where you want. Then trace around it and you've got a pretty quilt piece. So I'm going to keep that. And then this will go in the garbage. And I'm just going to sliver that up. And that'll add a whole bunch more flavor. Now, since that does have cream cheese in it, I am not going to bring this to a boil. I'm just going to let it simmer real low until it heats all the way through. Every time I see a little clump of cream cheese, I'm just taking it and mashing it against the wall. There's another little clump. So out of that 3 pounds of cream cheese, I've used about half of it. So that's about 1.5 pounds. I think that's 50 cents. I think that's a pretty frugal meal. And it is going to be so good. So I'm going to test for the seasonings again. Dip with your big spoon, taste with your little spoon. Oh, that is unbelievable good. And in fact, as soon as it gets warm all the way through, I'm going to let Papa Bruce have the first bowl of it.
Mmm.
And I don't hear any objections. It's heated all the way through. And it's a nice thick consistency. I still have potato water, so I could put that in another soup somewhere else. I pulled out some milk because I thought I might need milk, but we don't, so that's just going to go back in the refrigerator. And on top of that, I got a plantain can. I can plant a tomato in that, tomato or pepper. So yay, I got a free can. Papa Bruce is laughing at me. And let him be the judge.
That's a keeper.
It's a keeper. And we're going to keep the rest of this cream cheese. I can take that and thin it down with a little sour cream and put it out with chips and dip. Make it your dip. You can put it on crackers. You could just do 100 things with this. I think it was well worth 99 cents. If you are ever in a thrift store and find some salvage store and find something like that, you better grab it. And I'm glad we did. And that's all we have for tonight. I'm sorry it was just off the cuff, but hey, you gotta seize the moment. So this has been Granny Bee's recipe. Take it and make it your own. Thank you.